What's up creators, Dimo here once again, and let's turn this shot from this to this in just a few clicks. So today I'm going to teach you the easiest way to separate your background from your object. Let's get into it. So first and foremost, we are going to create two layers. And how do we do that? By clicking Ctrl J twice. So after clicking Ctrl J twice, you come and click on this quick selection tool. Then you can watch my previous video that I did on the easiest way to select your subject using AI. You will get to understand what I'm doing right now. So you come here to select object on this icon beside it. You click cloud, then select subject. Then it's going to use AI to select your subject accurately and fast compared to the other one. So let's wait for it. Yeah, then we have our selection. So what are you going to do next? You are going to create a mask. After creating a mask, you click Control, you right click on your mouse, then you subtract from selection, then you come to this second layer. You come here to select, modify, expand. I normally expand by one, yeah, and right click outside the selection, then fill it. Content aware, opacity at 100. Okay, wait for it as it fills. You can see it over here as it fills the background. It's the easiest way that I know. Yeah, we are done. So what are we going to do next? You disable the visibility of this first layer this way. Then you see our object was perfectly selected or separated out of the background. So how do you remove the selection? By clicking Ctrl D to select. Yeah, it was perfectly selected. So with this we can work on our background comfortably. For instance, I've chosen my patch tool. I'm going to select this way and do this, and with that you can work on your background. You can decide to manipulate it, you can decide to retouch it, soften it, do anything to do with Gaussian blur and all that. So after you have finished working on your background, I'll do another video and explain to you on how you're going to work on it. You will come to this first layer, enable the visibility, and our object is back. It was perfectly selected using AI. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to get more of this. See you on the next one. Bye bye.